Hello everybody, welcome to the project Wi-Fi based home automation. This project consists of 4 230 volts electrical devices which can be controlled from an Android based smartphone like this. It basically consists of a microcontroller here and a Wi-Fi module for Wi-Fi communication, and we are making use of 4 electromagnetic relays here for controlling these 4 230 volts driven loads. We are also making use of a temperature sensor which is of LM35. This temperature sensor is used to monitor the temperature over wireless on our Android mobile phone. Let us see its operation now. Turn on the power supply. Now the Wi-Fi module here tries to connect to the Wi-Fi router. Let me turn on the Android application here. So as soon as I turn on the application, I get the live temperature from this sensor. The temperature within this room is 27.4. Now let me turn on the devices. The first device, and the second device, third device, and the fourth device. So I can turn it on or turn it off. The response is very quick as we are making use of a Wi-Fi network. Now let us monitor the temperature. See the temperature rising here. And at the same time we can control the devices. See, the temperature is slowly decreasing now because as we removed the fire. At the same time I can even control the devices. So it's a two-way communication, and there is no blocking calls here. Now the one more advantage of this is, suppose these two lamps are turned on now. The controller remembers the status of these two lamps. Now let me turn off the power supply. Now when the power supply resumes, it remembers the status of the previous two lamps, and it should turn on the lamps again. See, it remembers the status. Similarly, I am able to see the status of the lamps here through these icons. See, the icons are glowing here. Suppose I turn it on, the icon glows. Suppose at the moment the three icons are glowing because the three lamps are glowing here. Now let me exit this Android application. Now when I turn on the application, see, it gets the status of the three lamps from the microcontroller. Suppose I turn off one lamp, only two are glowing here, even the icons are showing the same, and I get the live temperature here. When I exit the application and when I turn on the application again, see the status of two lamps and I get the live status of the temperature. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi and see. Let me turn off the lights. Suppose if I turn off my Wi-Fi network, That means there is no more communication from this mobile phone to my microcontroller board. Now, if I press on any of the lamp icons, nothing is working. That means there is no communication between these two modules. Now let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Now the system automatically resume the Wi-Fi network connectivity, and it operates as usual. We can even connect any load here. Let me demonstrate a AC driven fan. See, the fan is moving. So like this you can control any electrical appliances through the Wi-Fi network. And the advantage of this project is the distance is not limited as with the Bluetooth or the Zigbee network, and the distance can be extended, or it depends on the signal strength of the Wi-Fi router. Thank you for watching the demo.